एलर्जी पॉजिटिव आती है देन व्हाट, मतलब क्या हर चीज के लिए दवाई खानी है या मतलब व्हाट डू वी डू?
Actually, in the profile of skin prick test, we have food allergens, we have pollens, we have fungus, and we have the dust mites.
Okay.
So it is a very comprehensive test. Each and everything is covered in this test. We have 56 allergens that are covered in this test. तो अगर कोई पेशेंट को एलर्जी आती है, अगर फूड से आती है, सो यू कैन अवॉइड दैट फूड. अब वो फूड को अवॉइड करेंगे तो यू विल नॉट गेट दैट प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है. अगर उसके पोलन से एलर्जी आती है, देन वी हैव वैक्सीनेशन फॉर इट. अगर उसको फंगस से एलर्जी आती है, देन वी आल्सो हैव वैक्सीनेशन फॉर द फंगस आल्सो. एंड डस्ट माइट्स, दैट इज द 90% cause of the allergy. Dust mites, because you cannot avoid the dust mites when you visit any place, because dust is everywhere. So dust mites are present in the air and you are inhaling that.
Actually dust mite क्या ना, लोगों को ये नहीं पता होगा.
Dust mites are basically they are the bacteria that are present on the floor, that is present in the air, and we are inhaling that and we cannot stop inhaling that.
आपने बोला कि जो चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जिसके अंदर जिसको हम अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते, जैसे फंगस है, आप कितना भी क्लीन रख लो थोड़ा बहुत तो आ जाएगा, आपको दिखेगा भी नहीं, बिकॉज इज अनविजिबल. डस्ट माइट्स हैं जो हर जगह, धूल तो है ही है, कुछ ना कुछ तो आएगा ही. तो ऐसे केसेस में इम्यूनोथेरेपी रिकमेंड करी जाती है जो डॉक्टर बताते हैं. तो व्हाट इज इम्यूनोथेरेपी, थोड़ा सा आप अगर बताएं कि इम्यूनोथेरेपी क्या है?
Immunotherapy, we are actually giving sublingual immunotherapy. Sublingual immunotherapy is that it is self-administered by the patient itself.
Okay.
It is to be taken orally.
Okay.
Like you have to take drops of the immunotherapy. It is to be taken empty stomach.
Okay.
Below the tongue you take empty stomach, and drops are given gradually twice a week.
Okay.
And we tell the patient how to take it. But the thing is that this immunotherapy is a concentrated extract of that particular allergen we are putting inside the body of the patient to develop immunity inside the patient.
जैसे वैक्सीन यूज करते हैं हम.
That was like in case of corona. In case of COVID, what happened? People were getting infected, and what we did, that we inserted a dead virus inside the body, and the body started creating the immunity, and we were able to fight the disease. So same is the concept is here, that we are putting that particular allergen, concentrated extract of that particular allergen, and we're putting inside the body of the patient, and the patient gradually, by the time, actually this immunotherapy goes on for 25 months. So after 1 year, patient will start experiencing that 70 to 80% he will be cured with this problem of allergy that he is facing.